Hey YouTube, I just want to come on really quick and do a quick unboxing right here. This is a early Mother's Day gift. I'm opening it today because, and I know what it is because I picked it out, but I will be working on Mother's Day, so I just thought I would share this with you now. Okay, so isn't it pretty? And I always hate to take the bows off, but I gotta take them off. So this is what I decided on. I was thinking about getting the Rhea small backpack, and I decided against it for now. Okay, so this came from Coach. My son got it, took it 25% off. So, this bag here. Okay, here she is. That was an easy unboxing. Okay, so this is the Quilted Studio Bag in black. I wanted something that could be, a little bit more dressy than my Cassie that's sitting over there. And I like the quilted bags. So let's see. There's videos on YouTube of this bag. Let me see exactly how big she is. So I can show you up close the clasp. It has Coach here. No feet. No feet. And this is the hang tag. Okay. Here is the strap, but I want to get the chain strap. We'll get that later. So we're going to take some of the packing out. This is the inside of the bag. Okay, it's leather lined. So you have a pocket here, a slip pocket here, the main compartment, and a pocket here. Okay. So she is very pretty. I was looking for something a little bit more classic, a little bit more dressy. She could be dressed up or down, but definitely I needed something that was a little bit more dressy than my Cassie, and I think this fits the bill. Okay, so tell me, what do you think? If any of you have this bag, how does she wear? And I just want to come on here and show you my latest gift from my son from Coach. I didn't think I liked this bag, but it's pretty. I didn't think I would like it months ago when it came out, but I saw it in the store. I was at Coach in Pentagon City, and I was like, oh, she's pretty. I may have to request that for Mother's Day. Oh, the key. It comes with the key, so you can't lock the bag. Let me see. Yeah, it's in there. I don't know how to get it out, but it does come with a key. I probably would never lock my bag, fearing that I wouldn't be able to get it out, get it open, or I would lose the key. But you do have the option to lock the bag with the key, which is here. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all my subscribers, new and old. Thank you for watching and commenting. I appreciate you all. I haven't been uploading that much, so thank you for sticking with me. And I hope you all have a fabulous weekend. And happy Mother's Day, early Mother's Days for all the mothers out there. Thank you. Bye-bye.